Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College teacher, Department of Mathematics from Red Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen some examples based on second order derivatives, and we have completed chapter derivative or differentiation there. Now today we have to start new chapter, applications of derivatives. In this chapter, first application is application of derivatives to tangent and normals, or applications of derivatives of a geometry. Now we see applications of derivatives to tangent and geometry. Applications of derivatives to tangent and normals. Now here we know that y equal to f of x is a function. Y is equal to f of x be a continuous function of x representing as a curve in xy plane, and any point p x1 y1 lies on curve. Then we write dy by dx at point p x1 y1 is equal to f dash of x at point x1 y1 is nothing but slope of tangent or gradient of curve. Now if we take any point p on the curve and slope of that tangent is dy by dx, then we can find equation of tangent at point px1 y1 and having slope dy by dx is, by using formula, equation of line in slope point form. Is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now here we can put slope m is equal to dy by dx. Then we can write y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent at point px1 y1 and having slope dy by dx. Okay, now we have to find equation of normal. We know that or since normal is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore we know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slopes is equal to -1. Using this formula we can write here, therefore slope of normal into slope of tangent is equal to -1. Now slope of normal is equal to -1 upon slope of tangent. and we know that slope of tangent is dy by dx. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Therefore, we can write here slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at point px1 y1. At point px1 y1. Now we have to find the equation of normal at point px1 y1 and having slope this minus 1 upon dy by dx by using formula again y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, using this formula we can write equation of normal. Equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon slope m is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. Dy by dx at point x1 y1 into x minus x1. Now this is the equation of normal, and equation of tangent is this y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Using this formula we can find the equations of tangent and normal using given conditions and given curves. Okay, now we see examples here for the equation of tangent and normals. Now first example is find the equations of tangent and normal. Example, find the equations of tangent and normal. Tangent and normal to the curve. To the curve x cube plus y cube minus 9x minus 9x into y. 9xy equal to 0 at point 24. At point 24. Now we see answer for this example. Answer. Consider given equation of curve. This. Consider given equation of curve which is x cube plus y cube minus 9xy is equal to 0. Say this as equation number first. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube 3y square into derivative of y dy by dx, because y cube is a composite function, minus 9. We use here product rule for finding the derivative of x into y. This is the product of two functions. First function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function, that is y into 1, equal to 0. That is 3x square by dividing 3 here, by dividing 3 or dividing 3 we get, by dividing 3 we get x square plus y square dy by dx. Here take product, remains here minus 3 into in bracket x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay, now take product here, multiply by minus 3 to the bracket, then we can write x square plus y square into dy by dx minus 3x into dy by dx minus 3y equal to 0. Now keep terms of dy by dx here. Keep terms of dy by dx to the LHS. That is, we can write here y square into dy by dx minus 3x into dy by dx equal to, take remaining term to the RHS. That is, we can write here minus 3y becomes plus 3y and x square becomes minus x square. Now here take dy by dx common. Dy by dx into, in bracket remains y square minus 3x equal to 3y minus x square as it is. That is, find the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 3y minus x square upon y square minus 3xy. Y square minus 3x. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to 3y minus x square upon y square minus 3x. This is the slope of tangent. This is nothing but slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Okay. Now we have to find dy by dx at given point px1 y1 is equal to 2, 4. Px1 y1 is equal to p2, 4. Therefore, we can find dy by dx at point 2, 4. Here x1 y1 means 2, 4 is equal to, put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 here. Then we can write 3 into 4 minus x means 2 square upon y square 4 square minus 3 into 2. Okay, that is dy by dx at point 2, 4 is equal to, we can write here simplification. By simplification, 4 into 3 12, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4 upon 4 square means 16, 16 minus 6. That is dy by dx at point 2, 4 is equal to 12 minus 4 means 8, 16 minus 6 means 10. That is, we get here 4 upon 5 by dividing 2. 2 4 is 8 and 2 5 is 10. Okay, that is, we get slope of tangent at point 2, 4. Dy by dx is equal to 4 by 5. Now we can find equation of tangent. Number first, equation of tangent at point 2, 4 and having slope dy by dx at 2, 4 is equal to 4 by 5 is, by using formula again, equation of line in slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is, y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at given point x1 y1 into x minus x1. Now put here values of x1 and y1. x1 y1 is 2, 4 and slope dy by dx is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, we can write here y minus 4 into dy by dx is 4 upon 5 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. Now we have to simplify this equation. Now we write here, we can write here by simplifying y minus 4 is equal to 4 by 5 into x minus 2. That is 5 into y minus 4 equal to 4 into x minus 2. Take product here, 5y minus 20, 5 into 4 20 is equal to 4 into x, 4x minus 8. Okay, now take all terms to the RHS. We want term of x is positive, therefore we can write 4x minus 5y minus 8 plus 20 equal to 0. That is 4x minus 5y plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 20 equal to 12. That is, we get 4x minus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent. Now we have to find equation of normal. For that we have to find first slope of normal. We know that slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1, y1. Okay, therefore we write here, therefore slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent dy by dx is 4 by 5. This is slope of tangent dy by dx 4 by 5. Therefore we get here slope of normal is equal to minus 5 by 4. This is the slope of normal. Then we can find the equation of normal at point 2, 4 and having slope minus 5 by 4. Now equation of normal at point 2, 4 and having slope minus 5 by 4 is, that is y minus, by using formula y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where put x1 y1 is equal to 2, 4. Y minus y1, slope of normal is minus 5 by 4 into x minus 2. Now simplify this, take 4 other side, 4 into y minus 4 equal to minus 5 into x minus 2. That is, take product here, 4y minus 16 equal to minus 5x minus into minus plus 10. Okay, that is 4y minus 16 equal to minus 5x plus 10. We write here, that is, take these two terms to the LHS, then we can write 5x plus 4y minus 16 as it is minus 10 equal to 0. That is 5x plus 4y minus 26 equal to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of normal. This is required equation of normal, and this is equation of tangent. Okay. Now we see second example here. Next example is find the equations of tangent. Find the equations of tangent. Find the equations of tangent and normal to the curve x equal to sin theta, and y equal to cos 2 theta, at point theta equal to pi by 6, at theta equal to pi by 6. Now in this example we have to give one equation x equal to sin theta and y equal to cos 2 theta. These are the parametric equations. That is, we have to give a curves are in parametric form. Now we have to use here parametric rule first for finding the value of dy by dx, that is slope of tangent. Now we see answer for this example. Consider given curves, that is x equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta. Here given point at theta is equal to pi by 6. Okay, differentiate these equations with respect to theta. Now derivative of x is dx by d theta equal to derivative of sin theta is cos theta, and derivative of y dy by d theta equal to derivative of cos 2 theta composite function minus sin 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. Derivative of 2 theta is 2 because derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. That is, dx by d theta is equal to cos theta and dy by d theta is equal to minus 2 into sin 2 theta. Okay, say this as equation number first, this as equation number second. Now we know that parametric rule. We know that parametric rule is dy by dx equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Say this as equation number third. Okay, now put values of dx by d theta and dy by d theta in equation third. Therefore we can write here from equations first, second and third. Okay, we write dy by dx equal to dy by d theta means minus 2 sin theta, minus 2 sin 2 theta upon dx by d theta is cos theta, cos 2 theta. But we have to find dy by dx at point theta equal to pi by 6, theta equal to pi by 6. Therefore put here theta equal to pi by 6 in this equation. Then we can write here dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6 equal to minus 2 into sine of 2 into pi by 6 upon cos pi by 6. Okay, that is dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6 is equal to, now here minus 2 into sine 2 pi by 6 means sine of pi by 3, 2 upon 6 means 1 upon 3 minus 2 sine pi by 3 upon cos pi by 3. Value of sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 upon value of cos pi by 6 here. Value of cos pi by 6 is again under root 3 upon 2. This is cancel out, remains only dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6 is equal to minus 2 equal to slope of tangent, slope of tangent. But we have to find here point px1 y1 using point theta equal to pi by 6. Therefore put theta equal to pi by 6 in equation, in this equation. We can say this equation as a star. Put theta equal to pi by 6 in equation star. Therefore we can write x equal to sine pi by 6 and y is equal to cos 2 theta, means cos of 2 into pi by 6. That is x equal to sin pi by 6 means sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, and y is equal to cos 2 pi by 6 means cos of pi by 3, that is cos 60, and cos 60 is equal to again 1 by 2. That is, we get here point p x1 y1 is equal to p 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Now we have to find equation of tangent at point p x1 y1, that is p 1 by 2 and having slope dy by dx is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we write here number first, equation of tangent at point p 1 by 2 and having slope minus 2 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line in slope point form. Put here point x1 y1 equal to 1 by 2 and slope m is equal to minus 2. Therefore y minus y1 means 1 by 2 equal to m means minus 2, x minus x1 means again 1 by 2. Now simplify this, take here addition, 2y minus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 2 as it is, here also take addition, 2x minus 1 upon 2. Now 2 cancel here and we can write 2y minus 1 equal to, take this to other side, minus 2 into 2x minus 1. That is 2y minus 1 equal to minus 4x, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. That is, take these two terms to the minus 4x plus 2 to the LHS, then we can write 4x plus 2y minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. That is 4x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of tangent. Now second, slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, that is slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent is minus 2. Therefore we get here slope of normal is 1 by 2. Slope of normal is 1 by 2. Now we have to find equation of tangent at point P 1 by 2 and having slope 1 by 2. Therefore equation of tangent at point P 1 by 2 and having slope (1 upon 2) m equal to 1 by 2 is. Now we write here equation of normal, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 x1 means 1 by 2, y minus 1 by 2, slope m is 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2. Now simplify this, 2y minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 by 2 as it is, 2x minus 1 upon 2. Okay, that is 2y minus 1 equal to 2. Take this to other side, upon 4 into 2x minus 1, that is 2y minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1. Okay, now take this to other side here and multiply to these two term. 2 into 2 4y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 1, that is we can write here, take these two term other side, 2x minus 4y minus 1 as it is, minus 2 becomes plus 2 equal to 0. That is, lastly we get equation of tangent is 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. This is equation of normal, and this is the equation of tangent. Okay, now we will stop here. Okay, thank you.